Hello student, today in the ninth class, the first lesson, the French Revolution from the history, I will discuss the topic today, the growing middle class in vices and end of privilege. In this main topic, I will discuss about the three philosophers in that time in the France when they have given their ideas against the privilege and they had told or they had proposed their many of the visions about the structure of the government, what type of the government formation should be there. They have given their special you will say proposal which were very popular and they had circulated in the whole world. Even America's government model also based on one philosopher. You have to tell the name of that philosopher over which model of the government the American government also accepted the same pattern of the government. So I will wait for your comment in the comment box. So student, let's we begin. So there were the three philosophers in the France. One is the John Locke, second is the Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and third was the you will say Montesquieu. These three philosophers they had given their ideas about the formation of government, but in a very different way. As you have seen, the John Locke, he has given the ideas about the government about in famous book the two treaties of the government. Two treaties of the government where he told about the proposal of the government through the such ideas. It means he was refute the doctrine of the divine and the absolute power or the right of the monarch means king. Means he was just giving the ideas that the monarch means the king should not have the very you will say different rights such as the divinal power, and second is the absolute right. Divine power means that time the people considered the king as the representative of the god in the earth. So in such a way, so the king had a lot of power in such a doctrine which was just rejected by the John Locke. He was proposing that the government should be formed on such a way where the monarch should have the power, but this power should be very limited. Means the people should not consider about his you will say image as a you will say god, as a divine power, and he should not have also the absolute powers. Means the power should not be concentrated over the king only. Some power should be you will say divided, or they should be disintegrated from the different type of the way. Second was Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He was giving the ideas of the government pattern over his famous book The Social Contract. The social contract where he was giving the ideas the government where the people and their representative should be there, a very proper contract should be seen there. Means a government based on the social contract between the people and their representative. His ideas also very circulated in the whole you'll say Europe as well as many of the continent also, because he was telling that the representative and the people they should go hand to hand in their you will say government, but there should be the contract between the representative, means the people who are elected by the people, and second thing the people who are considered as a citizen. So there should be a kind of contract so that the both parties can mutually agree and mutually you will say disagree over the time to time. In such a way the government can function well, because both can be controlled to each other. In such a way the government can be function well. And third one is the Montesquieu. His ideas were very popular and circulated in the whole world, especially in the you will say America continent. Especially you have to tell the name of country where this ideas of the Montesquieu was circulated. His ideas was telling that there should be a government based on the organs of the government. He was proposing that the government should be formed on the you will say based on the organs of the government, especially the legislature, executive, judiciary. He iconed his ideas in the famous book you will see well the Spirit of Laws, where he was telling that the legislature, that is a body which can frame the laws, an executive that can impose the laws, and the judiciary that can be the organs that can check the powers of the, you will say, representative, and the bodies which can make the laws. So these kind of the suggestions were very popular in the whole Europe, especially they were celebrated after when the France had freed the 13 colonies of the America from the Britain. In such a way, this model also accepted in the government of the America, and then these ideas also very, will say, fruitful, and it was considered that these ideas also given the boost in the government system of the America. Then these ideas also followed in the you'll say France after the successful revolution. So hope a student you have understood the topic. If any kind of the problem, you can comment, and you just share my videos, like my videos, and comment it only. So student, these are some important topics, and I will also discuss about the pattern of the CBSE in this year, about the board class. Then I will give some suggestions how to solve the paper, how to prepare well for securing the good marks, for getting the good marks. So hope student you enjoyed today's video lecture. Bye bye. Thank you.